Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never.
Hey friends, it's your girl JasmineNicole. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back better than ever with another video. Is this your first time seeing me on screen? Hey girl, hey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, boo. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my J-Bag. As y'all seen by that title, we finna get into this vacation prep. Okay, we finna go on vacation. As y'all just seen, I just washed and blow dried my hair. So I just wanted to jump in right quick and greet y'all, because I haven't talked to y'all since the start of this vlog. So yeah, today is May 3rd. It's around 5:21. Tomorrow we get up really early because we have to travel 2 hours away to Dallas to get our hair braided. I'm getting some Bohemian box braids. So yeah, I don't do the knotless y'all because knotless don't last long on my hair. So I'm doing Bohemian box braids, and I hope they turn out right. So yeah, we crossing our fingers, and yeah, I just wanted to jump in real quick and talk to y'all or whatever, but I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Alright y'all, it's probably like 6:40 something, I don't know, I ain't got my phone on me. But this is the fit. Got this from Route 21. Y'all go shop, they sell, they going bankrupt, so all stores are closing. Yeah, but we finna get on this road. We gotta be on the road before 6 so we can be there on time. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there.
Could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Alright y'all, we made it to Dallas. Right now I'm eating a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle from McDonald's, and yeah, I'm gonna head to my appointment. It is 9:06. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 9:06, and I told her I'll be there by 9:15. I'm literally right up the street from her, so yeah, I'ma just see y'all when I get in there, because I'm gonna smash real quick, okay? See y'all later. Alright y'all, I'm back, and here's my hair. I love it. I love the minimal curly pieces because I didn't want too much. I didn't want it to look like I had a whole wig on. I do not like when it's full. But yeah, I love it. I'm mad that I didn't do my eyebrows because I look bald right now, but it looks super good. It's super long, like I like it. And yeah, period. She ate on these, I ain't gonna lie. Now I'm thinking about going to go get a wax, y'all. I'm so scared because it's gonna be my first wax. Like, I'm super nervous. I low-key don't even want to go. Like, I'm so freaking nervous, but I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it, okay, honey? I'm in there getting her hair done now, and we just switched out with Yana. I don't know if y'all can see Yana back there, but there she go. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what I do, because I probably go to the wax center. I can't, y'all. I can't. Alright, y'all, I just got out of my wax appointment or whatever. I just finished getting my wax, and it was good. I definitely will be going back because your girl is smooth now. I love being smooth. And I'm gonna be smooth for a couple of weeks. I love that. But anyways, I did end up getting my armpits wax. Yeah, my armpits wax too. I didn't end up recording in there because, y'all, like, everything just was like, Yana was hollering. It was just too much going on. So I was just like, yeah, I'm trying to get in and I'm trying to get out, okay? But yeah, it went smooth, and I love the girl that did it. Like, she made me feel so comfortable for my first time. So yeah, I definitely will be coming back. Yeah, me and Yana probably finna go get something to eat. I see a Chipotle across the way, so we probably finna go there. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, y'all, I'm back home. It is a little late. It's 10 o'clock. I've been home for a minute now, but I just decided to pick up the camera. But here's a better view of my hair because y'all ain't see it. It is sexy. Oh, okay, yeah. Anyways, I like my hair, but the only thing I don't like, excuse me, my baby in the back, but the only thing I don't like is the fact that she didn't even give me no middle part, y'all. This ain't middle. Is that middle, y'all, or am I tripping? That ain't no middle. That's middle. Okay, yeah. So I don't really like that. So yeah, but everything else is cool, but this shit is really tight, so I gotta wait till it loosen up for me to do a style or something. But yeah, I just came on here to show y'all my hair. I'm loving it, loving the length. Y'all know I like it. Anyway, and yeah, I had to come home and put my brows on because y'all know I was looking like a bald eagle. But yeah, this is that. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I go get my nails and my toes, and I think that's what I'm getting done next. Yeah, my nails and my toes. So yeah, see y'all later. It's currently May 16th at 11:26 in the morning. So good morning. Today I get my nails done.
Currently I'm at the airport. My mama had to drop off a rental. So I'm doing that. My appointment is at 12, so hopefully we make it, or hopefully I make it. If push come to shove, mama just gonna have to drop me off at my appointment. But the plan is to drop my mama off back at home, my mama and Yana back at home, then go to my appointment. So I don't know, hopefully I make it, because it's already dang near 11:30 and she just went in there to return the car, and it's quite a few people out here, so I don't know. Plus she got to get everything out of the car, so it's just like, it's looking like she's just gonna have to drop me off. But either way, I'm gonna let her know if I am late or if I'm running late. All right, y'all, I made it. I'm here. I think this is the place right here. I don't know. She said she in Suite A, so I'm gonna get ready to go in because I am literally, it's 5 minutes into my appointment, so hopefully, yeah. I know I look like a bum, y'all, so please, I ain't got no eyebrows on, I ain't got nothing on. But yeah, we finna go over here and see what it's talking about, because I'm gonna have to tell y'all a story about this girl because she gave me hell trying to get in a fucking appointment, okay? But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get up in there.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me?
Alright, y'all, it's 2:45. I just got out of my nail appointment, and here are my nails. And yeah, I love them. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go home. My battery is dying, so yeah. Alright, y'all, it's like 1:08 in the morning. It's Friday. I'm sitting up here trying to pack. I literally just got myself ready for bed, just got out the shower or whatever. I'm trying to pack. I got everything laid out on the bed, so I'm finna show y'all what I got. Alright, y'all, these are all the outfits that I got just laid out on the bed. Over here is Yana's. I'm not quite finished putting all her outfits together, plus she had to try on some stuff because I'm not really sure if any of this fit, because y'all know how Shein is. But these are my shirts right here. The only thing I need to add to these is like some jean shorts or whatever, but everything else has a match. These are just like one pieces that I could just like throw on or whatever. I just packed an extra little pair of sandals. I don't even know what that's gonna go with, but yeah. Here is one outfit for like dressing up or whatever, I guess for dinner. Here's another outfit for dinner. This is just, you know, something chill. That's another outfit. Those are my sleeping clothes. These are my swimsuits. My swimsuits are inside of these beach bags or whatever you want to call them, along with the shoes that go with the swimsuit. So that's that. I may put Yana swimsuits up in here because it's a lot of space. So yeah, y'all, that's what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything in this suitcase right here. I don't know if I told y'all, but we're only taking like carry-ons. Since it's 7 of us, everybody is taking carry-ons, and we gonna have one big old suitcase where we just throw everything in. Like if you need extra space for shoes, whatever, like, you know, lotion, soap, whatever. But anyways, I'm going to put everything in this little suitcase. So let's hope that everything fits in this suitcase. Let's cross our fingers and hope. So yeah, y'all, this room is a mess, so hopefully I can clean it up tonight, because yeah, I've been trying to pack and I just keep everything in this room, so I ain't got to be cluttered up all in my room. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to packing, because I'm just talking. about nothing. So yeah.
Bother me when you know you got a woman. Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want. Go wherever we want. Love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want. Get whatever I want. Get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I guess we got love, love, love. Long as we got, never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem.
Alright, y'all, we in Walmart and I'm coming to get some little things that we may have missed and some stuff for my mom. So I'm gonna do that. I'm right here in the soap. Here's the soap that she uses. So we're gonna get this and put it in the car. Let me see, where is the travel size stuff? I'm not seeing no travel size nothing. Alright, y'all, so I did find the travel size keys. And I'm trying to see what do I really need versus just what I want. Some extra wipes for Yana and some flushable wipes for me. I think we got some of these at home, so I'm just gonna get one pack just, you know, just to be on the safe side. I really want some of this, so I think I'm gonna try to. Ooh, y'all, they got the freaking, yep, vanilla cashmere. I gotta have this one. So this is literally all we have, and we finna go check out. Y'all already know where I'm at. Your girl is at Tropical Smoothie. Gotta have my fix, baby. Y'all already know what time it is. I ain't had this in like weeks, probably a whole month. Here go my acai bowl.
On beaches, don't know these features. Think on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you don't want no one beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. I suggest this, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch me.
Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in to my maintenance vlog. I know it was all over the place because I was all over the place. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And I'm out.